Yo, what up guys? It's Tristan Lady. We're back with another video. Today we've got a really special video, but before we get into that, I just want to say, if you're new, like and subscribe. We're on the road to 500. And another thing I wanted to say is thank you guys for 60,000 views. Um, at the time, like, as I'm recording this, we're like still like I think around 1,000 away or something, or like 2,000, something like that. But it's kind of crazy because my most viewed video, which has like 10,000 views, is the Margila video, my other Margila video, and so I just want to say thank you for all the support on that. But yeah. So as far as what I'm wearing, so I got this RSQ, which is like a Tilly's brand. It's like a gauze material. It's really comfortable. I got these brown Kith shorts, and then I got the muslin Jordan 3s. I haven't worn these in forever. Actually forgot where they were at, and then I found them, and so I wore them today, which was nice. And yeah. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into the video. So last time I got a pair of, like, I bought something from the Margila store. It was at the London store, and this time it's at the Paris store, and it came with a different bag. I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was cool looking, especially the handles. I don't know, I had to keep it. And so yeah, here's the box. Tissues already. There's the box. It's just a white out Margila box, and then you have the tissue paper, and then they come in the dust bags. 1 second, let me get those out. So here's the shoe, which you guys already saw in the thumbnail, but man, these are so clean. And honestly, so when I was in Paris. I went to the Rick store right before the Margila store, and they had a bunch of stuff I liked, but they just didn't have the colors I wanted or the sizes I needed, or the size I needed. So I ended up going to the Margila store, and I tried on some stuff, didn't really like anything, and then she was like, "Oh, but I have this colorway in the back or something. Like, we just got these in today." And when I first saw them, I didn't really like them, and then when I tried them on, I was like in love. Um, so I just want to say, so this color is like, it shows up, I feel like, decently darker on camera. It's like this really chocolatey brown, all over chocolatey brown, and I think it looks definitely darker on camera. Then of course you got your like off-white laces, and then gum outsole. So if you don't know anything really much about Margila, I'm not trying to act like an expert, but the 22 is for the like men's shoes, I believe. And then the rest of the numbers is like all the different like subsidiaries of Margila, or like the different categories. Like each one stands for something different at Margila. And yeah, I just love this outsole. It's just so like classic looking to me. And then on the insole it says replica, and then it says like 70s, and then it says it's made out of time period 70s. Austria is where they're from. And it says made of lambskin and calf split. So if you don't know, like, some people might say these look like similar to Sambas if they don't really know the history behind them or something like that. But these were actually inspired by the German army trainer. That's why a lot of people call them GATs. It stands for German Army Trainer. And yeah, so they put Austrian, but German. The Austrians copied the German Army Trainer. And yeah, so these are like weirdly really comfortable. I think it's just because the materials are so nice. So like the outside leather and suede is like very very nice, like buttery soft suede to the touch. And then on the inside though, the leather is like, I think that's where the lambskin is. I don't really know. I guess it's all lambskin and cast. I don't really know what's which. But like, this is so soft, and then your insole's like leather too. And I'll see if I can pull it out. But they actually, for like a designer shoe, they're actually like pretty good insoles. Like, they're pretty, I don't know. They don't look that great, but they're really comfortable. Like, they're like polyurethane insoles. But yeah, this is just an incredibly comfortable shoe, in my opinion, because they fit like perfect once they get broken in. I'll show you guys on feet in a second, but another thing I wanted to say is I'm not really gonna show you how to style these, because these honestly are so like hard to mess up to style, because I feel like since they're such a I don't know, classical looking silhouette, you can wear like just like straight cut jeans, slim cut jeans, or whatever, and then really baggy jeans too. Like, sometimes I'll wear really baggy jeans with my other pair, and it'll like cover them low key. But I don't know. I just think they look great, and I just like sometimes I like a lower profile shoe. Um, and yeah, for a designer shoe, I just cannot harp on how comfortable they are compared to some of my other stuff. Like I would say honestly, my Margillas and like my Birkenstock Samoas or Sanoa, whatever they were called, the Stussy collab. Those are probably like my most worn shoes in the past like 6 months. So I'll go ahead and show you guys these on feet, and I'll be back for the outro. Alright, so yeah, that was my overall thoughts on this colorway and just kind of overview. I just really, this is such an amazing colorway, the Gats, in my opinion. Um, so yeah, and also I was talking about how comfortable these are. I forgot how they actually had to break in though. So like I tried, I'm used to how mine that have been broken in feel. So off rip, they're not that comfortable. The insole has to break in, and the leather has to like mold to your foot. But once that happens, like probably like I would say probably about 3 to 5 wears in, probably about 5 wears in, wearing them most of the day, you would definitely they'll be like completely broken in, and yeah, they don't really take much to broken in because the leather is so soft. But it's mainly just the leather on the insole that kind of needs to be broken in, and yeah. So I'm not really sure if I showed the details though on the. I just think the little Margiela logo is cool. Um, so yeah, I mean, and there's also, if you don't really want the Margielas, there's a bunch of other brands that make very similar models that are just made after the Gats. But yeah, I just oh, also another thing to mention is I thought it was really cool because I never gotten a bottle of champagne from like buying anything in the store, and it was a small bottle, but I got a bottle when I bought these, so I thought that was really cool. Um, but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. We're on the road to 500. Um, if you're new, like and subscribe. I started to put my Instagram down below, because I always post on my story whenever I post a video, because I know some people don't see it in like their feed or whatever. So yeah, and then yeah, if you didn't see the last video, go ahead and show love to that. It'd be very much appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.